Ready for another science activity now. This week we're going to make something called bubbling blobs, or another name for it is the lava lamp. You're going to need some water, some cooking oil, and I happen to have canola oil, but vegetable oil is just fine. I have Alka-Seltzer, vegetable color, and a clear container. Um, on my first take of this video, I used a huge container, and I thought that more would be more exciting, and it turned out to be a big fail. So less is more, and if you just happen to have a water bottle at home, that will be fine. Okay. So and a flashlight would be handy too. You might want to get a flashlight to glow to make the lava lamp glow. The first thing you're gonna do, get the container. I'm gonna pour some oil in. That ought to do it. Now I'm going to pour some water in. Just a little bit over halfway. And then I'm going to add 1/4 of the way. I'm going to add the water. You see the water is in the bottom? You'll notice that the water and the oil are not mixing. It's like a salad dressing. Except that's not vinegar. And now I'm going to add a little bit of food color. Food color is mostly water, so you'll notice that the food color is sinking now. Sinks to the bottom. I'm going to put the cap on. Let's sink to the bottom. See what happens. I look at my water. There we go. There we go. You'll notice right away it's going to start separating. And the top part is going to be lighter. And the blue sinks to the bottom. I'm going to add some more food color too. I'll shake that up again. Just to make it brighter. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to take some Alka-Seltzer. My Alka-Seltzer tablet. You want to break it into 4 pieces. Snap it. There's already in 2 pieces. And then 2 pieces. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to drop a piece in. Is anything happening? There it is. Can you bring the camera over here and just film this part? Yeah. Yeah. Closer and closer. You see it bubbling? Some light on it. Still a second piece. There it is. There it is. There we go. Okay, now put the camera back. There we go. You see the Alka-Seltzer. So then I still have 2 pieces of Alka-Seltzer left. And as this starts to slow down with the bubbling, then I can add more. Ooh, look at that. Look at that reaction right there. That's kind of cool. Now some of you might be asking, why does it do that? Why does it do that? And the reason is because there are chemicals, ingredients in the Alka-Seltzer tablet that are activated by water. They get activated by the water, and one of them is citric acid, and the other one is sodium bicarbonate. One is an acid, that's a citric acid, and then the sodium bicarbonate is a base. And those two chemicals, when they come together, they cause a chemical reaction, and that's what causes effervescence. Effervescence is a fancy word or a fancy way of saying bubbling. So bubbling is a $1 word, effervescence is a $5 word. $5 word is $4 more than the $1 word. And it's same way, same word, same meaning, with two different ways of saying it. Effervescence and bubbling, which are evidence of a chemical reaction. Now, once it does settle down with the bubbling, what you can do is put the cap back on tightly, and then you can like roll it around, and you'll notice that all the water is going to collect together, and you'll get this blue wave at the bottom of your bottle, and you can kind of squish it around like that, and observe how waves move. There we go. I'm gonna add some more in there. And that's our activity for this week. I hope you make some videos and post them on Facebook after you do it. Share with me. And I hope you get to try some different colors. Have fun with it. Bye.